Hello there. My name is Tati Sabrina. One thing I love to do is make music anytime and anywhere. Another thing I love to do is to share how any parent, teacher, or anyone who loves to make music with children can do that and do it well. Welcome to Learn with Tati Sabrina, your internet auntie. Today, what I want to talk about is hand drums are drums. Voila! Why hand drums are drums? Let me tell you. Hand drums allows us to physicalize our emotions, right? No matter if we're frustrated or happy, because most cultures use hand drums to communicate. And there's a reason why. Oh, you hear the sirens? See, somebody didn't use their hand drums, right? Anyways, there's also hand-eye coordination, because otherwise, if I say to hit the drum here and it goes like this, there's an issue with some eye-hand coordination, but it's all practice, not perfection. Then it synchronizes the left and the right side of the brain. And when that happens, believe it or not, again, the whole body is engaged, so there creates a harmony within the body. There's a lot of, again, sensory feedback from hitting these drums. And you know why I like hand drums too in elementary school? Those gathering drums, which are cool, but I feel like they're chaos. And the kids who want to have some quiet feedback versus the one that feel like they need to beat the mess out of it, I feel like each one is cheated. So that's why I like these individual hand drums. And also, like I just kind of went into, it regulates moods, because many times those kids who feel really aggressive and they beat, they feel better. And the ones who feel a little low and they're hitting it, their mood raises. Now, another thing that's great is they have to memorize whatever they're hit. Well, I'll put it this way. They don't have to memorize just to be creative and have a good time. That's not what we're talking about. And again, it's not perfection. But if we're doing a game and we're doing something and I say, everyone, for everybody's name, I want you to beat the drum for each sound. Sarah, everyone's going to go, Sarah. What if we're doing the days of the week? Monday, everybody, Monday, right? Saturday, everybody, Saturday. So it's ingraining, they're memorizing, yes, the words, but this is another way to help with memories, because again, rhythm is organizing, right? Then what's great, believe it or not, it helps with reading. How? Because just like we were doing those little names and things, drumming with a song, that rhythm really helps them learn patterns within sentences or patterns within the language, right? Why do you think rap music is so popular? Isn't it funny how kids can't remember their address, but they can rap a whole song, right? It's because that rhythm is organizing. And again, it gets the body going because it feeds the whole body. Reason why that's why that happens, I should say, is that because music as a whole stimulates the whole brain, and while that's happening, more and more synapses, pathways, neurons are being created. So the brain is still very, it's still growing. It's still very moldable. I can't find the word I'm thinking of right now, but it's still moldable. And so when you do these things, you're creating a pathway that after a while, the more they do it, the brain organizes. So maybe not as much of the brain lights up, but that's because it's organized itself and it's created a foundation that when they do something else, they build on it. Back in the day, they called it scaffolding, AKA learning, right? You have something to pull from, to relate it to, you've added another layer and you've learned something else. And believe it or not, music and drumming does that. So let's have a little bit of fun. I love this song called Funga Alafia. So what's great about Funga Alafia is very simple, so it's easy for everybody to remember. And playing on the hand drums, this is where we're going to see our the kids hearing, memorizing, kids being creative. Because say I'm going to ask somebody, hey, why don't you come up with a rhythm to play while we're singing this song? So as the teacher, I'm just going to start off very simple, right? Everybody follow me. And you already know that somebody's going to take liberties. Just let them. Here we go. Funga Alafia, ashe. 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 So, in an ideal situation, once the kids have done this song, you can tell each person, you can just point to someone, call their name, let them do what they're going to do. And their cue for everybody to follow them is just to change the rhythm. You don't have to like say, oh, honey, what you going to do? Just let them do and follow. Somebody just had a fight, they're crying. Give them a drum or something, and it's going to regulate that mood. Eye-hand coordination, because if we're playing the drums, it's got to be able to find the drum. And, you know, if we change things around so they can follow. Pre-writing, guys, they work those fingers. And you know what? Those future medical students will basically thank you, because now the big thing is they're complaining these kids have been doing this with the computer and they can't suture. So let's not let them talk about us in the future. Get those kids to use their fingers. Also, it's social because we're all communicating with the drums as we sing. Everybody's following what people are doing. Everyone's creating. And also everybody's expressing themselves, whether they're angry or they're sad or they just kind of want to relax. You can do all that, right? To summarize, great hand drums and drumming, mood regulation, get them together after running around. Or if somebody just had a fight, they're crying, give them a drum or something, and it's going to regulate that mood. Eye-hand coordination, because if we're playing the drums, it's got to be able to find the drum. And, you know, if we change things around so they can follow. Pre-writing, guys, they work those fingers. And you know what? Those future medical students will basically thank you, because now the big thing is they're complaining these kids have been doing this with the computer and they can't suture. So let's not let them talk about us in the future. Get those kids to use their fingers. Also, it's social because we're all communicating with the drums as we sing. Everybody's following what people are doing. Everyone's creating. And also everybody's expressing themselves, whether they're angry or they're sad or they just kind of want to relax. You can do all that, right? If you have any questions, leave them below in the comments and I will answer them ASAP. Also, don't forget to like the video so there'll be more videos. Make sure you use hashtag Tati Sabrina Sings on Instagram to request a song or to show you and your cutie pie singing and dancing. And now it's time for Tati Sabrina's Song of the Day. You can add it to your toolbox of goodies to use with any child you're working with. A, B, C. A, B, C. A, B, C's. A, B, C's. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? ABCs, 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 A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? ABCs, 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 A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Next time, won't you sing with me? Thank you for stopping by today. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell to receive notifications when I post new content. That's a wrap. Bye.